on the beat. Yo, selector, turn up the treble, make the subwoofer roar. When this one drop, them asking for more. Yeah, it's a global vibration, from Kingston to the world, non-stop motion. Stepping at the dance, everything level. Higher than a mountain, we not deal with the devil. The gal them a wine and the energy up. Every cup in the ear, yeah, we feeling it up. Watch the synchronization, the time in the flow. When the 808 it, watch the whole place glow. We no wait for invitation, we create the scene. The dancehall king and the dancehall queen. Watch how them a move, watch how them a step. Every rhythm where we touch it, I leave a big effect. When the bass line drop and the melody sweet, everybody just a bounce, bounce pon the beat, bounce pon the beat. Bounce pon the beat, from the hill to the gully, from the lane to the street. The rhythm are infectious, it catch like a fire, lifting everybody higher and higher. Check the footwork, yeah, sharp like a blade. In a history books, this is where we get graded. No matter if you rich, it no matter if you broke. In the middle of the circle, we not deal with the joke. Just follow the snare and the kick and the clap. Once you enter the rhythm, there is no turning back. Watch how them a move, watch how them a step. Every rhythm when we touch it, I leave a big effect. When the bass line drop and the melody sweet, everybody just a bounce, bounce pon the beat, bounce pon the beat. Bounce pon the beat, from the hill to the gully, from the lane to the street. Left, right, slide, bounce. Up, 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 down, glide, bounce. Feel the heat, feel the steam. Living out the dancehall dream. Heavyweight sound, we no play small. Music at the language, just speak to us all. Watch how them a move, watch how them a step. Every rhythm where we touch it, I leave a big effect. When the bass line drop and the melody sweet, everybody just a bounce, bounce pon the beat, bounce pon the beat.